si Tutoy. Tapos yun, magbibideo po Lakakamaldusa. Tapos po,
You got it? Now that you've got a shape in mind, what I want you to do is I want you to focus on the last letter of that shape.
guys,
Go ahead and do so.
alam ko po, parang may naman po to.
Now that you've got a random letter in mind, what I want you to do is I want you to think of a breakfast item that starts with that letter.
Hi!
Think of a breakfast item.
Hello! Nandito pala ako.
Perfect. Now double tap to lock it in because I'm about to read your mind. There's so many different breakfast items that you could have ended up with. But somehow it will read your mind all the items that you could have ended up with.
Nandito naman ako.
Here's the breakfast item you're thinking of.
Sorry, hindi ka nalaman.
Egg. I'm about to hypnotize you.
Babay na po guys. Magmalayan ka pala. Ikaw naman po
What
sa
color is
Tutoy.
this pen?
Having trouble coloring under the light line? I wish for a giraffe. Jessica, you need to wish for more practical things. A giraffe isn't going to keep you warm this winter. I wish for, remember what we talked about? New shoes. Those are perfect for you. I wish for a Nintendo Switch. Mom, can you wish for
Guys,
anything as long as you're not wishing for someone to die or realize? So I can wish for a house or a lot of money. You can try, but usually those fall into the gray area of not being granted. And you lose your wish for the entire year. But high risk could mean high reward. Well, don't come crying to me when you don't
Diba
get
po
it.
yun?
I'm gonna
Pag
ask you
nabasag
something
na po sa
big
ipon niya.
this year. You say that every
Nabasag
year,
na
and
po
you
yan.
always ask for the same things. I know,
Itong
but this year's
gitna,
going to be
itong
different.
gitna.
I know my wish might
Haba
not be
po
true,
ito
but if it does, things are going to change around here.
Halos lahat na
What
po.
exactly are you going to ask for? I wish for a
Tapos meron pa
giraffe.
isang. Kaya po, mag-ingat po kayo sa Shopee. Ma! Post na po natin. Huwag po tayo magtatawa. Ikaw muna magtatawa. Ako naman. Kaya niyo po ito. Ay, kaya mo ba ito, Pia? Kayo naman.